Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've got a new drone. Friends, it's time to open it up, so let's get cracking. Alrighty, friends. So what we are sporting here is the Ruko 4K gimbal drone. I was able to purchase it on Amazon, so there was only a couple day wait. Alright, so first, tape in the back. And it unfolds like this. Zippered plastic storage. The case has a sturdy side, a handle, and double zippers. Inside the box, foam protection, second battery, the 4K drone. We'll open that up in a second. And the new style controller. So you'll notice this controller has a display on it. It's got the traditional holder for your phone, and you've got decent handholds. First thing I'm going to do is get this on the charger, so that way soon we can take it out and fly. In the zippered pouch, we've got spare blades. I'll set that over there. We've got the manual, which I'll take a peek at in a moment. This is the charging cable, and it is a standard USB, not the newer USB-C. This is the quick start guide. Of course, we need to read all these instructions before we're flying and go through the manual. So real quickly, if we run through the quick start, turn the drone on, set it down, it will auto trim to the level surface. Turn on the controller second, connect the app. Once you're connected, you do the calibration dance to get it calibrated. And then always pay attention to the tips in the app. It will talk to you all the way through it. Calibration part 3 is to do it with its nose hanging down. If you ever choose to reset, it's with the thumbs up and out in both directions. When you're ready to launch, it is thumbs down and in. The controller, as I mentioned, does have a screen where it will always be showing you things. It has an emergency stop, our power button, speed select, and then just the normal flying commands that we're used to. We'll play with the special features once we get it up in the air. In the front, we do have video recording, shooting, zoom in and shoot out, and the gimbal to adjust it. Alright, so let's take a good look at the drone. It feels a lot like an F11 Pro. In the front, you can see there is a protective cover. Make sure you remember to remove this. It is nice that the gimbal will be protected while it's being shipped to you. It lifts out and then off. And then also make sure you note there is a protective film on the front that you need to remove as well. Much different camera than we had on the F11. I'm going to take off these little guards that held the props in place. They are just pieces of cardboard that each go opposite ways. And that is the F11 gimbal. I'm going to go get the batteries on the charger, and as soon as I can, we'll get it up in the air and see what it does. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.